Welcome to the Algo Art AI Euro 2024. Today's Group C is between England and Slovenia. England is one of the favourites of the tournament. This is a must-win game for them. Slovenia, on the other hand, has got nothing to lose. Are we in for an upset? The match will be starting soon. 2 versus 2, first team to 10 goals wins. And we have kickoff. A lot of tussle in the middle, and the England player has got the ball and running into the goal and scoring. Nice counter-attack from his own defensive areas, dribbling straight into the opponent's goal. 1-0 for England. Oh, what a terrible own goal. The ball hit the unfortunate defender and went straight into goal. 1-1. Oh, and the ball just rolled into goal. Some tussle in the middle, the ball got loose and just rolled into the goal. (2-1) for England. And almost scoring there. Oh well, they scored on the second attempt. Nice teamwork by the strikers, working together to score the goal. 3-1 for England. Open goal. Well, missed opportunity there. Slovenia coming back. And somehow they have squeezed it in. So defenders was there, but the striker persistent pushed the ball in across the line. 3-2 for England. Slovenia attacking again, and they have equalized. A quick goal. Attacking straight from the whistle, and they got the reward. The game is tied at 3-3, and Slovenia almost scoring there, and England almost scoring on the other side. This is back-to-back football, and the unlucky Slovenia defender. Somehow he caught the ball and into goal. 4-3 for England. Oh, and another unlucky own goal from Slovenia. This time dribbling the ball back from the halfway line into goal. These players are controlled by AI models. To train them, we look at their FIFA World Ranking. The higher the ranking, the more games this model gets to train on. England is ranked third, and then their AI model gets to train on a massive 1.95 million games. Slovenia is 54th. Its model gets to train on 0.9 million games. Less than half that of England. We are expected England to win this, at least on paper. We join the game back at 5-3 for England. Tussling for the ball. Oh, a rare own goal from England. Under no pressure, the defender hit the ball back into his own goal. 5-4 for England. Open goal, and he missed. Well, another open goal. You see? Oh, he missed again. Another one. And he finally got it in. Well, 3 open goals. But he got his reward in the end. This is the one that he finally got it in. 6-4 for England. Oh, nice attempt on goal. And another nice attempt. Oh, another attempt. How many times before? Oh, and they finally got it in. After 3 attempts, an open goal straight into it. 7-4 for England. Oh, and a quick goal from Slovenia. How did the striker manage to get through the defenders? Somehow he squeezed it in. 7-5 for England. And a nice goal from the England striker. The striker took the ball from the whistle, dribbled it, and straight into goal. 8-5 for England. Is it? Oh, and the ball rolled into the goal. Somehow the ball just rolled into the goal. Match point for England. Slovenia strikers applying the pressure. Oh, and somehow it got past the line. The defender was there, but the ball went past the line. Another match point for England. Oh, nice defending there by Slovenia and a nice counter attack. Well, clearing the ball off the line and straight into goal the other side. Third match point for England, and Slovenia scored again. The England defenders was all over the place and the Slovenia striker took advantage of that. Fourth match point for England. Is England going to wrap this up? Well, it looks like the answer is no. Slovenia, from defending, counter-attacking and into the English goal. So 9-all and it's match point for both sides, and England has woke up from their nap and sealed the game. What an amazing game. England was leading all the way until the very end, where they almost fell asleep, and almost giving Slovenia a chance for the biggest upset in this tournament. But luckily, they woke up from the nap and sealed the game. England 10, Slovenia 9. And this is the table of Group C. England is on top with 6 points, Slovenia at the bottom with 0. The next game is between Denmark and Serbia. Denmark will have a chance to top the table if they win. And finally, a question for all viewers out there. Who do you think played better today? England or Slovenia? Put your answers in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe.